Okay, next stage in the construction is our back wall, or our peak. So you've got your 36 LNRs and your 38 LNRs for your sheets, 81A for the bottom channel, and then you've got your 84 LNR for your top channel. Now before we start screwing sheets together, what we need to do is, just with a pair of tin snips, is just nip off the top edge here on our peak. Okay, now we can start joining our sheets together. Again, just making sure sheets are flush with each other, and the overlap holes will line up. Okay, once we've locked in that 81A, we now put our top channels on. Last part is our peak brace. This goes on the top of the channels just to lock that into place. And that's our back wall completed.